everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I try to sketch this gorgeous pink building that I was so excited when I saw it, because when do you ever see such a vibrant pink building? But it did come with its fair share of problems. The day that I came to this location just so happened to have a festival going on, so the place was packed, and for some reason in Florida right now, we're experiencing another winter. For a couple days, a cold front has come through and it was very cold and very windy. And I thought it would be a great opportunity to come sketch, seeing as it's not so hot, but it ended up being really tricky. The weather was very dry, and like I said, it was windy, and so the wind was drying the paint very fast. Nothing too much went wrong with this sketch. There were some hiccups. I had brought with me, I have about 3 or 4 white pens, 3-yard gel pens, because I've noticed that sometimes the Signos will randomly stop working. Well, all 3 of them stopped working, even my backups, so that was frustrating. And the white Posca that I usually use was running out of ink, so the white ended up looking quite grey, as you'll probably see. For some reason, the pencil lines looked really heavy on this, like when I'm looking at it through the camera, but I thought I was pressing quite lightly. You'll probably notice that I changed my sitting position a lot because the sun was chasing me and I had to find shade. Like I said, I was really excited to find this building because I've been on the lookout for some interesting places, and there isn't a lot of interesting architecture here, but there are some interesting colored houses. So I'm excited to incorporate those into the videos. This being the first one. I had initially planned to put the sky in, but once I laid down the wash, I thought it would just look too much, and fortunately I was able to just scrub that out. I was a little worried a portion of the way through this. I was worried that I wouldn't get the look I wanted without the white pen and without a gold pen, because the writing on the building is gold. So what I did in its place was I wrote it in white and then went over that with a combination of quinacridone gold and I think some raw sienna. One thing I do kind of wish that I'd maybe done is I wish I'd taken a bit more time to pencil in the lettering first, and I did contemplate doing that, but I just couldn't be bothered putting in the time. And also by that point I'd gotten quite cold quite fast and my hands had stopped working, basically. That's my excuse. I'm actually really happy with how this turned out, because I have attempted a pink building in the past, and for some reason I just couldn't get past the first wash. I was a little bit unsure on how to create interest and how to create pink shadows while still maintaining its vibrancy, and I feel like maybe I accomplished it this time. I still do wish I would have done a couple things differently. I wish I wouldn't have worried so much and just kept in some fresher washes, but I still think it worked out really well. I've actually spotted an orange building, and I plan to sketch that, I think, in the next one, and I'm really excited about it because I've never painted an orange building before, and I'm curious how that will go. So if you do like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.